Trouble changing resolution on Windows 11? Stay tuned for effective ways to force that change and get back on track. Right-click on the Start icon, then choose Device Manager. Now expand the Display Adapter section, right-click on the Intel AMD option, and tap Uninstall Driver. Once the operation is completed, restart your PC. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, then navigate to Update and AMP Security, followed by Advanced Options on the right side. Now go to the Additional Options section and click Optional Updates to find the available driver updates. Now click on the Driver Updates option, select all the driver updates you are presented, and lastly, click on the Download and AMP. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Press the Windows +S key to open the search box. Type CMD in it to search for command prompt. Next, right-click on the top relevant result to run it as an administrator. Type or paste in the following command: sfc/scanno, press enter to run the system file scanner. Wait for the scan to complete. This can take a while. After you've finished waiting for the procedure to finish, which may take some time, restart your computer. Thanks for watching. Hope you hit like and subscribe.